So I found, lying around, a slingshot, and I thought, why not? Let's go make a slingshot.
Let's go make something.
So I've come up with a very simple design. It is loosely based off something I found on the internet. I've just altered a few bits and pieces. Very basic design. I can't use that knife because there's no knife in it. I've never actually made a slingshot before, so it'll be interesting to see how it works. I've actually had a question why I use the blue tape. If I was on the scroll saw, it actually helps lubricate the blade, just that fraction. But actually the main reason is if I get this other piece, that is stuck on there, it's not going to move or anything, but if I get this other piece, peeling it off is that easy as doing that. And there's absolutely no residue there. So that's the two reasons why I use the blue tape. Sure, I've got a machine that can do this. One day I'll actually get a spindle sander. One day. At the moment I don't have one of those. Any sponsor wants to give me one, that'd be great. Much appreciated. Shit, I actually hit it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.